Please don't blink. I will spend 11 minutes. Take you through it quickly. All construction processes of roof non-curing plus SBS waterproofing. The first construction process, basic cleaning. It is crucial to clean the base layer before non-curing construction. The base layer is clean, tidy, and sturdy. Helps to fully penetrate and seal. The capillary holes and micro cracks in the base layer should be cleaned in time. Collect dust. The hairdryer does the final dust removal work. Second construction process, uncured rubber asphalt. It must be heated before construction, mainly because of its high viscosity colloid at room temperature. It needs heating to achieve the physical state transition of materials and performance activation. Usually the heating temperature is between 160 to 20 degrees. The third construction process, construction of additional layers of internal and external corners. According to non-solidified material properties, internal and external corners no longer need to make arcs and additional layers of membrane. We still decided to add double insurance to the details are king. Corners. At this moment, the non-curing uniform scraping should be applied to the working base. Fourth construction process, additional layers. Construction of SBS membrane. The first thing to do is to flatten the membrane, firmly pasted together with non-curing. And then hot melt the membrane. Make the facade stick to the working base. The construction of the additional layer should adopt the full bonding method. Make the membrane and the base achieve comprehensive bonding. The bonding area reaches 100%, forming a seamless waterproof layer. This process combines non-curing. It can completely cure the location of waterproof weak parts such as yin and yang corners. The lap length of the membrane at the location of the additional layer should not be less than 100 millimeters. Make sure the waterproof layer forms a continuous and seamless hole. This effectively prevents water penetration. And the overlap part, it is advisable to melt the asphalt sol until it overflows with the original material. The fifth construction process, the insertion process. Parapet bolt hole sealing. Compared with traditional polyurethane foam sealing, it has a unique seal and elasticity. This is the craftsmanship spirit forged through exquisite precision manufacturing. Do you know what processes the rubber plug should be used in combination with? On my homepage, there is also a detailed explanation of the indoor high-end process method of this project. Friends who are interested in exchanging and learning can go and have a look. The sixth construction process, the base layer scraping non-curing. Rubber asphalt, non-curing with strong edge-in properties. It's 99% solids. Maintain a viscous paste for a long time in the application state. Can seal base cracks and capillary holes. It is particularly commendable that it has some self-healing properties. Even minor damage occurs during construction and use. It heals itself. It is also highly resistant to corrosion. Outstanding acid resistance test performance. The core of its waterproof mechanism lies in flexibility, adhesion, and self-healing ability. Long-term non-curing characteristics. Maintain the flexibility and adaptability of materials, possessing a strong ability to adapt to base deformation, especially suitable for parts prone to cracking or complex structures. It can completely avoid the intractable diseases of roof leakage. The seventh construction process, laying SBS modified asphalt waterproofing membrane. So, why should non-curing be used in combination with membranes? Non-curing paint is like chewing gum. It automatically fills in cracks. Membranes provide high tensile strength and puncture resistance. Form a waterproof system that combines rigidity and softness. Non-solidified layer full sticky base layer. Eliminate water running. Membrane layer resists external water pressure. Complementary performance. Forming a waterproof system that is both flexible and strong. Roller molds should be used during the roll laying process. Step hard when rolling and pasting to ensure a strong bond between the coil and the non-curing material, due to the fact that it is winter construction at this time. Therefore, it should be heated in time during the paving process. Is that so? Can ensure tighter bonding between coils and non-curing. Additional layer plane width 250 mm, facade height 250 mm. They call themselves short-sided laps. Lap width 150 millimeters. It's called a long-sided junction. Large connection width 100 millimeters. The eighth construction process, coil rectangular hot melt edge locking. At this time, rolling is used while hot melting. It can firmly bond the long sides together. And let me just add that the thickness requirement for non-curing is 1 millimeter, but with the attitude of Seiko forging. In this case, uncured thickness reaches a staggering 2 millimeters. The ninth construction process, reinforcement of the lower part of the pipe root.